Hi, Victoria Costa here, CEO and founder of Credit Fix Solutions. And today I want to share with you another fantastic success story for a client that we recently helped at Credit Fix Solutions with improving their credit report. This is client file ID 5565 for the records. We took on a consumer who had a telco default for approximately $2,600. This was preventing her from getting a home loan. She came on board in June of 2022, and within a few weeks we got approval to have the default removed, as we found that it was listed in error. Another fantastic case study from Credit Fix Solutions. Please get in touch. Our clients only pay fees if we can get a removal for them. So we are a no result, no fee business. You can get in touch with the team either through the website, which is www.creditfixsolutions.com.au, or reach out and send me an email, victoria@creditfixsolutions.com.au. Thank you.